Hi, I'm Dale, and I'm going to show you in detail how Bitwig's key filter device corrects foreign notes. A foreign note is any input note that is not in the scale you've selected. Key filter has two parameters that together tell it what scale you want to play. The scale mode parameter in the middle of the device identifies the type of scale. The key parameter at the top of the device identifies the tonic of the scale. Every type of scale you can select in key filter is a 7-note scale. There are musical scales that have more or fewer than 7 notes, but key filter doesn't know any of those. It knows only 7-note scales. So for each scale that you can select, of the 12 possible notes in an octave, 7 of them are in the scale, and the other 5 are out. Every scale then has 7 in notes and 5 foreign notes. A third parameter, the foreign notes parameter at the bottom of the device, tells key filter what to do with foreign notes. If you set the parameter to constrain, key filter will replace each foreign input note with a different note that is in the scale. How does key filter choose which note to play instead of the foreign note? To choose the note, it applies this rule. Replace the foreign note with the note that has the same scale degree and the opposite quality. If you don't know what the heck I just said, let me explain what the heck I just said. Then I'll show some examples. Here are the 12 notes in an octave, starting with whichever note we've chosen as the tonic of our scale. And here are the notes in the major scale. The scale has 7 notes. We can number them from 1 to 7. That number is the note's scale degree. Because key filter knows only 7-note scales, whichever scale we choose, we can always number the notes from 1 to 7. So every scale has a first degree, a second degree, a third, a fourth, and so on, up to a 7th. All of the scales that key filter knows are alike in that way. What distinguishes one scale from another, say the major scale from the melodic minor scale, is the quality of the note at each scale degree. Scale degree 1 is unique. It has only one possible quality. It's always the tonic. I'm going to relabel it as T. For most of the scale degrees, the quality is either major or minor. Every scale has a second degree. In some scales, it's a minor second. In others, it's major. And each scale has only one second degree. So for any scale, one of the notes in this box is in the scale, and the other note is out. Similarly, every scale has a third, minor in some scales and major in others. The same for the 6th and 7th. Let's see how to apply our rule to correct the notes whose qualities can be major or minor. The rule is this: if an input note is not in the scale, replace it with the note that has the same scale degree and the opposite quality. Let's say we're playing in a major scale. For each of these 4 scale degrees, the major quality is in the major scale and the minor quality is out. If a minor second comes in, that's a foreign note. Key filter replaces the minor second with the major second, the same scale degree and the opposite quality. It's the same for the 3rd, 6th, and 7th. If a note arrives with a minor quality, replace it with the major. The rule also works in the other direction. Say we're playing in Locrian Mode. For these 4 scale degrees, the minor quality is in the Locrian Mode and the major quality is out. If a note arrives with a major quality, replace it with the minor. That's the rule. To correct a foreign note, keep the scale degree and swap the quality. What about these 3 notes in the middle? First, let's identify their scale degrees and qualities. This note is the perfect 4th. Its scale degree is 4. Its quality is perfect. This note is the perfect 5th. The note in the middle is an oddball. Its name, that is, its quality and scale degree, depend on what scale we've chosen. There are 2 special cases which I'll describe first. Then I'll give the general rule that covers the other 7 modes and scale types. The first special case is the Lydian Mode. It has these notes. What should we call the note in the middle? Well, recall that each scale has exactly 1 note at each scale degree. We already have a 5th in the scale, but we don't yet see a 4th. So the note in the middle must be a 4th. It's not the perfect 4th, that's the note to its left. In the Lydian mode, the note in the middle is the augmented fourth. Its scale degree is 4, and its quality is augmented. If a perfect fourth comes in, we can apply our rule to correct it. Keep the scale degree and swap the quality, replacing the perfect fourth with the augmented fourth. The second special case is the Locrian mode, which has these notes. Again, what should we call the note in the middle? The scale has a fourth, but we don't yet see a fifth. That means the note in the middle must be a fifth. It's not the perfect fifth, that's the note to its right. In Locrian mode, the note in the middle is the diminished fifth. If the perfect fifth arrives, KeyFilter follows the rule to correct it. It keeps the scale degree and swaps the quality, replacing the perfect fifth with the diminished fifth. The Lydian and Locrian modes are the only two special cases. Every other scale or mode you can select has a perfect fourth and a perfect fifth, but not this note in between. If that note comes in, it's a foreign note. Which way should we correct it? Should we call it the augmented fourth and replace it with the perfect fourth? Or should we call it the diminished fifth and replace it with the perfect fifth? KeyFilter's rule here is, if the perfect fourth and perfect fifth are both in the scale, this foreign note in the middle is the augmented fourth. If the augmented fourth arrives, KeyFilter replaces it with the perfect fourth. So that's how KeyFilter corrects each foreign note. Replace it with the note that has the same scale degree and the opposite quality. Let's look at some examples. I've set up KeyFilter to constrain foreign notes to C major. In C major, all of the black keys are foreign notes. Let's see how KeyFilter corrects each one. I'll show the input and output notes together, input notes in orange and output notes in green. The tonic is C. C sharp is one semitone above the tonic. That is, it's the minor second. KeyFilter corrects that to D, the major second. D sharp is 3 semitones above the tonic, the minor third. KeyFilter corrects that to E, the major third. F sharp, the augmented fourth, is replaced with F, the perfect fourth. G sharp and A sharp, the minor sixth and minor seventh, are replaced with A and B, the major sixth and major seventh. In each case, KeyFilter replaces the foreign note with the note that has the same scale degree and the opposite quality. This rule for correcting notes is interesting in a way that may not be obvious. For example, you might know that the C major scale and the A minor scale have the same notes. So you might expect that it doesn't matter whether you choose C major or A minor. After all, they have the same notes, so won't KeyFilter correct the foreign notes in the same way? Let's try it. The notes that it played in A minor, the yellow notes, aren't the same as the green notes, the ones that it played in C major. How come? Though the notes are the same in both scales, the tonic is different, A instead of C. When you choose a different note as the tonic, you change the function of every note in the octave. That is, you change its scale degree or its quality, or both. And that can change the direction in which each foreign note is corrected. In C major, C sharp has a minor quality. It's the minor second, so it gets corrected upward to the major second, D. In A minor, C sharp is the major third, and it gets corrected downward to the minor third, C. It's the same with the other foreign notes. In A minor, D is not the minor third, but the augmented fourth. KeyFilter corrects it downward to the perfect fourth. F sharp and G sharp, the major sixth and major seventh, are replaced with F and G, the minor sixth and minor seventh. A sharp, the minor second, is replaced with B, the major second. So even though A minor and C major have exactly the same notes, the notes serve different functions in each scale. Changing the function of a note can change the direction in which it is corrected. And there you have it, how KeyFilter corrects foreign notes. It replaces each foreign input note with the note that has the same scale degree and the opposite quality.